Hello! Welcome to the Zinfi Technologies Partner Ecosystem Management video series. Please click on the subscribe button for informative videos on various aspects of partner ecosystem management. The purpose of a PRM platform is to automate the workflows associated with recruitment, onboarding, enablement, and management of a distributed channel partner network. Channel partners typically comprise various types of third-party organizations who represent a primary vendor's brand to promote or market, resell, and service an end-user base. If the partner only promotes a brand to generate awareness and leads, then that entity is called a referral partner or an affiliate. If the partner resells a product or service, then the organization is called a reseller, a value-added reseller, VAR, an agent, or something similar. If the partner provides services on behalf of a brand, as a consultant, system integrator, or franchise, for example, then it is labeled as a service provider. As you can imagine, a PRM platform that handles recruitment, onboarding, enablement, and management activities for a broad range of partner organizations needs to have a highly flexible and configurable set of administration capabilities. The administrator of the PRM platform should be able to create various groups and profiles based on partner type, location, the nature of their engagement, and other factors, regardless of whether the partners just promote or resell or do both. I provide this background so you can understand how complex managing partner programs can be. This is certainly true of commission programs, which can vary tremendously from one type of channel activity to another. For example, if a vendor is paying commissions for promoting a vendor's product, then there may be a special commission for traffic that is sent to the vendor site, and it may greatly vary by product type, country, industry, etc. On the other hand, if the vendor is paying for a completed sale from the same referral traffic, then the commission program will need to include additional payouts. There are hundreds, even thousands of combinations of programs and payouts that are possible to different partner types performing different activities. In addition to calculating commissions, one of the most important aspects of a PRM is to actually pay the partner. This payment can be in the form of a wire transfer or a check or some sort of a digital payment. A leading platform like Zinfi's PRM allows customers to pick and choose their preferred payment gateway, such as Stripe, PayPal, or Authorize.net. If you're looking at a PRM to handle commission management and payment, you'll need to ensure that it's able to not only address your specific use case, but also issue payments to the partner via your selected gateway and do all the necessary local tax reporting. Also, if your business operates on a global scale, your PRM should not only be able to help you perform these tasks in a local market, but also allow you to manage them in a multi-country, multi-currency, and multi-tax environment. Thank you for watching Zinfi Technologies Partner Ecosystem Management video series. If you have enjoyed this video, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button to stay informed on a variety of best practices for building a high-performing partner ecosystem using programs, process, people, and technology platforms. Hope to connect with you soon and have a great day.